So today we are done with the lesson apply rational integers, right? Apply rational number operations. And I asked you to do some exercises, right? Was good? Yeah, let me see. Check the answers to the exercises first. So we are page 225. We are in the homework. So check the answers. We select one. The answer of one is -2 and 11 over 20 or -2.55. You can say this or the same of -2.55. Question 3, right? Question 1, 2, 3. Yeah, question 2. The answer is -1 and 33 over 40 or -1.825. It's the same. Question 3, the answer is 0. Sorry. هذا 2. لا. هذا 3 اللي أنا كتبته. Sorry. Sorry. أنا لسه نايم دقيقة. Yeah. Question 2, 51 over 80. And its decimal is 0.6375. It's the same. Question 3, -1 and 33 over 40, or you can say -1.8225. Got? So we selected 1, 2, 3, and 7, 8, 9. Question 7, the answer is -1 and 17 over 20. It's the same. Same of this mixed number if you make long dividend. Same. Or -1.85. It's the same. Question 8, 21 over 40. Or if you went decimal, it is 0.525. Question 9, 13 over 40 or 0.26. Okay? 0.26. Same هذا. Question 8, 0.525. If you want the decimal form, yeah. Question 7, -1.85. You can use the fraction form or the decimal form. Did we select any others? So we have 1, 2, 3, 7, 8, and 9. Check your answers. If you have any questions about these exercises, you can ask me. Here and online, guys, if you the online, if you have any questions about these exercises, you can ask me. Here, any questions? Good. We said yesterday we will check these answers and we will do the others. Why I care about this homework? Because you will do everything in each exercise. You multiply, add, divide, subtract, right? At the same question, which is, if you understand this lesson means you understand the whole chapter together, right? Don't forget to respect the signs, okay? You need to respect them. Respect them very well, okay? Fine. Now together, let's go and do question 4. 4 or 5. Subhanallah. Yalla, question 6. But in question 6, طبعا we have A, B, C, D in the question up, right? A is how much? A is 7 over 8. B is 7 over 16. ها ما انا قلت respect the signs. مين اللي بيحكي هسه؟ مين اللي حكى؟ انت انا عارف صوتك ولا انا عارف صوتك. Negative 7 over 16. C 0 point and D 1 over. Yeah. Now in question 6, we did 4 and 5. Are you sure? The exponent of 5. Good. Right. Half. Exactly. Yeah. Question 6, they want us to find A plus B over C minus D. A plus B over C minus D. Okay. But now here, the first step, let's remember together, replace the variables by their values. So this is equal. A how much? 7 plus comes down. B up, C down. Between them we have a line, fraction, right? A up is what? B, sorry, negative 7 over, and C down is mobiles. Any mobiles, guys? Put them in your table for the register. Yeah. C 0.8 minus D. D is how much here? 1 over 4. Done? Now D is positive, right? In the given answer, in the given values here, D is what? But here, when you put it in the question, it became what? Negative, right? Now here, 7 over 8 fraction. Negative 7 over 16 fraction. Fraction still mean 0.8. Take it by side, turn it to fraction in simplest form, then bring it here, okay? Yeah, so 8, 0.8. 0.8, it is 8 over 10. Divide in 2 up and down, 4 over. Take it and put it in place of mean. In place of mean of 0.8. So I'll put it to 4 over 5. But now look what we have here. Here we have addition, right? Here what we have? Division. And then subtraction. So in order of operation, what we will do the first? The division. So I will start and work with the division here. Here up divided by down. The up stays the same, the division multiplied, and the down what we will do? Flip, right? Reciprocal. Yalla, this is equal 7 over 8 plus up stays the same. The division multiply, and the second fraction we flip it. 5 over 4 minus 1 over 4. Now, take a look to your multiplication here. Can we cross 7 with 4? No. 16 with 5? No. So multiply now normally. So equal 7 over 8. Now here focus. This is a plus minus minus, right? 7 multiply 5, 35 over 16 by 4, 64 minus, صح? Now, here you have two ways to calculate these three fractions. You can take these, the first two fractions together, do them, take their answer, and subtract with 1 over 4. Or you can do the three fractions together. How? If you take a look to the 8 and 64 and 4, can you make 8 to be 64? Yes, 8 by 8. Can you make 4 to be 64? Yes, by 16. So here it's better for you to do the three fractions together. Make the 4 64 and make the 8 64. So the three denominators will be equal. صح? Yeah. So here I'll make the 8 to be 64 by multiplying down by 8, up by 8. 4 by 64 by 16 and by. Now what are the numbers will be? 56 over 64 minus. This stays the same, right? 35 over 64 minus 16 over 64. Now down, what we have? 64. Up we have 56 minus 35. Take the answer, then minus what? Yalla, 56 minus 35. Huh? 21. 21. 21 minus 16. 5. لا يزن 21 minus 16 عادي تبع grade 4. 5. 5 over what? 64. Is it simplified? Yes. Why? Because everything here is simplified. كل شيء هون simplified. لو أخذنا ال 8 over 10 هذه same here. ركز. ال 8 over 10 we did what here? If we didn't, if you took this 8 over 10 and you put it here and continue, at the end you will simplify more. But because we simplify each fraction by itself, the answer at the end, what will be? Simplest form. Copy. So the answer of 6 is 5 over 64. Do it, please. Copy the steps, please, but quickly, as much as you can.
Mr.
Yes, Mr.
Mr. Why down we subtracted because we said in the integer in adding and subtracting integers when two integers are the same we add.
طيب يلا, let's do it together, okay? Here, this 56, what's the sign of it?
The sign of the 56, it's positive.
Positive 56 minus 35, how much?
The positive, it's
21.
positive.
Positive or negative the 21?
Positive.
Now, positive 21, are you looking at the board?
Yeah.
Positive 21 minus 16, are they the same sign?
No.
No. But
Okay,
if you don't have 56, focus here. If you don't have 56, you have only negative 35 and negative 16, you will do what you said. Get it?
Yeah.
But here, subtract normally 56 minus 35, we have a number 21. 21 is positive. 21 minus 16, how much? 5, normal subtraction.
Okay, thank you.
Get it? Else, copy quickly. كبي خلصنا؟ حدا بيقدر يحكي معه؟ جاب فول مارك. طيب. Let's do question what? 10, right? Now we did 1, 2, 3. We did them in the homework. We did 4, 5, 6 in the class today and yesterday. Let's finish 10, 11, 12, and 13. Yeah. In a question 10, 11, 12, we need these. We are on page 225. Huh? Yeah. We need the value of A is 7/10. The value of B is 3/5. The value of C is -1 point, and D is, yeah. Now let's go to question 10. B plus D all minus A. B plus D all minus A. Okay. حرام عليك انت يا زلمه. Yes, يا هشام.
Mr. Can I answer this with you?
Yes, you can. يلا. B plus B.
First,
ها؟
we will replace the variables with their values.
يا سلام ممتاز. يلا. How much is B?
3/5.
3/5. We put parentheses, right?
Yes.
دير بالك.
Plus
Plus D, how much is D?
-1/5.
-1/5. All
5.
minus A, how much is A?
A equals 7/10.
I replace it by 7/10. Now what we will do now, the first thing, ya Hisham.
Parentheses. We will add in the parentheses.
Yalla. Now in the parentheses, I have two fractions with the same,
Denominators.
so we can add directly, right? Yalla. Here we have a 3, and what we have here?
-1.
Yalla. 3 plus -1.
We will subtract and put the bigger sign.
ممتاز. كم؟
It's equal 2/5.
2/5, right? صح?
Yes.
يلا. So get rid of the parentheses. It will be 2/5, all the parentheses, right? Minus
Yes.
7/10. Now what we will do?
We will make 2/5 multiply by 2.
Exactly, to make 5 as 10. Yeah. So
10.
here I'll multiply up and down by
2.
2. It will be
4/10 minus 7/10.
minus 7/10 equal
3/10.
what?
3/10.
3/10, right? ممتاز يا هشام.
Negative.
ما حيرتني انت هيك. 3/10 ولا negative 3/10? For me I say 3/10.
Okay.
4 minus
Okay.
7 يا هشام.
Negative 3.
ليش negative 3؟ Why negative 3؟
Because it's 4 minus 7.
يعني لازم إذا 4 minus 7. Why negative 3? What's the reason to be negative? Tell me.
No.
طب here up أنت. Look here.
Yes.
Here. 3 plus minus 1. How you did it?
We will subtract and put the bigger sign.
Why? Because the 3 is positive and the 1 is what?
Negative.
طب the 4 here is what?
Positive.
And the 7?
Positive. Positive.
The 7 positive؟ إذا ما هي النيجاتيف مش شايفها يا هشام؟
Oh, sorry, I did
Yeah,
not see it.
the 4 is positive and the 7 is negative, so we apply the same formula, right?
Yes, we subtract
Yes.
and put the
Subtract and put the bigger sign. It's a 3. What's the bigger sign? For the 4 or for the 7?
for the 7.
So negative 3/10. Done?
Yes.
Right. Let's go to question. Thank you, Hisham. Let's go to question 11. Copy, guys, this question, please, quickly. وريني كيف هتعمل كوبي. يلا. عملته؟ يلا حط لاين هلا. هيك. يا سلام. هسه question 11. يلا. شفت كيف عاد؟ يلا question 11. Question 10 is small a little bit. Question 11 we have b to the power of 2 plus 1/10 multiply parentheses, inside the parentheses d minus b. Yeah. Yes, عبد الحميد.
Yes, Mister. I want to answer.
يلا answer.
11 b to the power 2 3. We
Equal.
replace the variables.
b to the power 2. b
3
is
over
what?
5.
3/5. يلا. 3/5. Why power
To the power of 2. plus
right
1 over
كده
10. Yes.
بص
No, parentheses.
ايوه. So here I need to put what, guys? Because we have a fraction,
This
put a
like that.
parenthesis to the power of 2 like
Power
this.
is only
Okay,
of the 3.
my plus 1 over 10, then another parenthesis. D how much?
Negative 1 over 5.
Negative 1 over 5
minus
minus B, which is
B
3 over 5,
3 over
right?
5.
Now all of them are fractions. Check. Like this
Yes.
one, all of them are fractions. So ما استخدموا السي لسه, right? But
Yes.
now look here, I have exponent, I have a plus. What I have here between 1 over 10 and the parentheses,
Multiply.
we have multiply. So we have exponent, we have parentheses, we have multiply, we have add, we have everything, right? What we will do the first year?
thing, exponent.
لا. What's the order of operation يا ابني؟ حدا بنساها هاي.
parentheses exponent.
parentheses هذا شيء غالي غالي ما تنساه. لا تنساه. ماشي؟ يلا. Negative 1 over 5 minus ركز معي. ركز.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Here we have same denominators down, right?
Yes.
So we can subtract directly, right?
Yes.
Yeah. What's the answer of the parentheses? All of it.
Mister, is it subtract? This is same signs now.
Okay.
We add.
اخلص علي. What's the answer يا حبيبي؟
4 over 5.
ها؟
Negative 4 over 5.
ايوه. Equal. ممتاز. So we have 3 over 5 all power 2 plus 1 over 10. What's the sign here I will put after the 1 over 10? خلاص خلصنا parentheses, we put what? Multiply. As Abdul Hamid said, negative 1, negative 3, we add and put the same. Negative 4 over. Now what we have here, Abdul Hamid, I have exponent and addition and multiplication, right? What we do?
Exponent.
Now the exponent. 3 over 5 all power 2 means 3 over 5 multiply 3 over 5 plus 1 over 10 multiply negative 4 over what? I have multiplication, then multiplication, right? So I will do both them in the same step, right? طيب here ركز معي. Can we cross in 3, 3, 5, 5?
No.
No.
It's
3 with 5, 3 with 5, it cannot. So multiply normal. It will be 9 over
9
what?
over
Plus. Now ركز بالثانية هذه.
1 over 10.
1 over 10 and negative 4 over 5. Can we cross?
Yes.
4 with?
With 10.
With 10. Both can divide on what?
Divide on 2.
On 2. If you divide on 2, 4 divided by 2, it will be what?
2.
And here?
It will be 5.
5. يلا. 1 multiply.
1 multiply 2 is
2 is 2. مش هيك؟
But
But what we have here?
Negative.
هاي negative. فما تزعل. Respect the signs. Over 5 multiply mean
5.
5. How much?
25.
Equal. See? After we cross, we have the same denominator, right?
Yes.
Now, what we have?
7.
Girl, 9 plus minus.
7
Plus
over
minus
25.
means minus. So it's 9 minus 2. How much? 7 over 25.
Okay, I will mute.
Copy the questions, guys, please. Copy the steps. Copy the steps. بسرعة. يلا finish خلص. Quickly. خلصت؟ مهلك، لا تستعجل. ها كم الانسر؟ يلا انسر كم؟ منتلي. انت مش تبع المنتلي؟ مين اللي تبع المنتلي؟ اوكي، جماعة المنتلي هذول. Yes يا جندي. What's the answer? أي exam? You have math exam. إيش دخلني أنا في revise؟ Revise in your home, not here. يعني جاي تعمل revise بحس الماث يا زلمة؟ مالك أنت؟ وجريء وبتحكي بجرأة يعني. طيب let's do question 12 على السريع because I'm يعني still have only come 6 minutes here. So question 12 I have, copy with me على السريع يلا. B plus C over D. B is given 3 over 5 plus C is given negative 1.9 over D negative 1 over 5. Now طلع البورد شوي. Here we have what? Negative and here negative. صح؟ عشان تخلص منهم هذول ما يغلبوك. Negative divided by negative is, so you can cross them. You can cross the negative with negative because the answer of them is what? خلاص هذول انساهم كأنهم التنتين راحوا. فهمنا؟ خلاص؟ Negative divided negative positive. Cross them. طيب. Now we have here 1.9. خذها على جنب ال 1.9 هذه. It is 1 and 9 over what? يعني 19 over. خذها حطها مكانها. This is 3 over 5 plus up 19 over 10 down 1 over. We'll do the division, then the addition, right? So this is equal 3 over 5 plus up same. ايش؟ نحن انت مش وين كنت انت من ثواني من 10 ثواني وين كنت؟ احنا قلنا cross the negatives together مش هيك؟ يلا 19 over 10 multiply what? 5 over 1 مش هيك؟ reciprocal. Now look here at the 10 and the 5 both can be divided by divide by 5. This will be what? And this will be 2. صح? Now do the multiplication. This is equal 3 over 5 the same plus 19 multiply 1 19 over 2 multiply 1 2. Now do the like denominator. يا اخوي روح. يلا. Now do the like denominator. Here times 2 times 2 times 5 times 5. Up will be 6 over 10 plus 38 over 10. مظبوط. This will be 44 over 10. This will be 4 and 4 over 10. This will be 4 and 2 over. شو 19 by 5 شو اسمه لحظة شوي. It is 95. طب ما هي 95 شو شايفين انتم؟ هي بس لانه الاضاءة هذه بتموج الارقام. انا كنت كاتبها 95 اصلا. بس شو الاضاءة يعني مشكلة هذه. خلص بطلب منهم يصلحوها. بكتب هذا شغل وغلط. غلط يا زلمه. يلا 6 plus 95 100 1 over 10 1 10 يا زلمه and 1 over 10 يا اخي انتوا انتوا بتخربطوني، مش انا، ماليش دخل. 10 and 1 over 10. Last question على السريع. ها. We have 4.5 multiply x multiply y minus, this is question 13, minus x over 5. Now x, y given equal 4.5. X is 12. Y is 2 over 3. Minus x up is 12. Given it, x is 12 لحالها. Divided by 5. Now شوف شو حنعمل احنا. Here what you have, mixed number 4 and 5 over 10. Simplify, it will be 4 and a half, right? This is 12 over 1. So it will be 4 and a half, يعني 9 over 2. مظبوط؟ اعملوها. 9 over 2 multiply ل 12 هي 12 over 1 و 2 over 3 و 12 over 5, right? Now I will cross 3 مع ال 9 او ال 12 تزبط. هلا هذه 2 مع هذه 2 gone 1 1 صح؟ هاي 1 هاي 1. ال 3 مع ال 12, the 12 will be what? 4, will 3 will be 1. Now let's multiply. 9 by 4, 36 over 1, 1, 1. Minus 12 over what? Times 5, times 5. Down will be 5, 36 by 5. ولا بسرعة. Come. 5 by 30, 150, 180. Minus 12 over 5 equal هيك كله على بعضه 33 and 6 over 10, يعني 33 and 3 over 5. Okay? Divide and do mixed number, I want